Oh, damn it. Okay then. I guess you saw the point in the first ones. I just have a bad grounding that makes it do that. Well, anyway, you get the idea. It sparks away nicely. So, well, anyway, for you, if you just wanted to see this thing work, you can go away now, because I'm not gonna do anything more about it. I'm just gonna talk about everything. And for you who don't want to watch, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. See you next year with a lot of new projects, I hope. If I even get anyone's watching. So, enough with that now. Let's just turn that off. So the plan is to take this thing down now, and, well, some lights maybe. Go on to the next part of making easy stuff hard. And the next idea I have is trying to make a simple calculator, just 1 to 10 or something, 10 maximum digit, 2-digit calculator, maybe 3, I don't know, that might require a few more relays than I have, and try to make that work with binary, that is. And, well, we'll see what happens with that. Maybe it will work, or maybe it won't. Anyway, otherwise I have a few more things to work with. Well, if anyone wants to see that, I think I've already shown that thing, but that one's new. It's an auction haul from a thing I was on. Didn't stay a lot, so I didn't purchase everything. But it's a radio receiver for the US Army, made by Farnsworth Television and Radio Corporation. Kind of cool thing, but it needs some work. And the most annoying thing is that it runs on 120 volts and you can't seem to shift that. So that is what it is. Luckily I have everything I need to run it normally. So we'll see how that goes. I mean, it works right like it is right now, but the power supply needs some work. And a bunch of capacitors, and even more capacitors, and then probably some more capacitor and some trimming after all that. So we'll see what happens with that. And if I didn't show that thing, it's General Electric. That is a Signal Corporation something. That thing that is. This one has bad solder or something, because that's the old television syndrome, as I like to call it. You hit it and it starts working again. So, well, yeah, that's about it for this video. I don't know if I put up the video on that thing though, since it's not mine. I just built it and did some redesigning on the board. So we'll see. I don't know. But anyway, this is probably the last video for this year. Or not, I don't know. I'm not a people person, so I won't be going away for Christmas. So maybe something will come up. If anyone is still watching my videos, send a like if you like them or something like that. I don't know. It feels kinda pointless to put out videos that gets 1 or 2 views, but anyway, I probably won't stop. See you next time.